Where's my hat? Oh, I didn't even look. Hello folks, this is Steve AB4Yo. There's been these big trucks hauling stuff, debris. They've been going by all day, and I decided that if I happened to meet one, I would follow it to see where the... See, here's one coming right now. Right there. I can tell by looking back, he's loaded with debris like they're clearing a woodlot or something. So I want to know where it is. And it's not one or two trucks, it's like a convoy of them. See how beautiful the Piedmont is? There's a truck coming. He's loaded with dirt and debris. You see, after he goes by, I can see that it's filled to the top. I don't think it's this lot on the left. That's been under construction for the last half year, and they're doing a nice job. See, it might be something like somebody bought a couple of lots of something along here which is woodland, and they want to build a home, houses, like has happened right along this coming up, and they've got to clear it. And I do mean coming up. You can't see to the left here, but there are 3 lots that were developed in the last year. As far as I can see, at least 2 of them, the houses that were put there have been sold. Prefab houses. He's getting away from me. I'm talking too much. All right, now which way? He's going to turn right. Drop something in the road. Somebody did. Okay, he's turning right. Nobody coming from the left. Now somebody has been building up this lot on the left with prefabricated houses. There's a mansion there on the far left. You notice he's not picking up speed. And the guy had, oh, there it is. 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 So it's like the other ones I mentioned, which you probably didn't see very well. So the truck comes in here. Now there's a house way down there, but there's obviously this front lot. And there's the crane. They're taking the debris from clearing the lot, which involves cutting down trees, breaking them up. You got somebody, see, can see the activity there. Now he's turned and he'll exit through this area here, but he's going to be loaded. And it says no trespassing. This is daylight and they can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we've answered that question. And there's nobody coming from the left. And they turn in on Glen Country Road. And Glen Country Road, and then they, all right, there's no outlet. And I'm going to turn around. And you can see what the guy's doing, okay? And there's a white arrow there. So, okay. I'm glad I did it. It's a little adventure. Now let me just say it. Because of the things like the Toyota battery plant and the wafer plant in the next county down 64 and a whole bunch of other things that could be called economic development in one stage of health or another, the Piedmont is being invaded. Because that's where I am, in the Piedmont, the very heart of the Piedmont. And what I've been noticing, especially in the last year, is the amount of increase in what I'll call commercial traffic. Steve A. before you, just being nosy, saying see you in 73.